Cut the corners off your store-bought wonton wrappers. Spray a mini-muffin pan and line with the wontons. Bake at 350 degrees. Mix the tahini, mayonnaise, soy sauce, and maple syrup in a bowl. Measurements can be found in the description below. Next, add the diced cooked chicken. Add some chopped snow peas, followed by scallions and carrots. Now add some fresh basil and cilantro. Sprinkle in some sesame seeds and mix. Spoon the mixture into the wonton cups. Garnish the tops with some chopped scallions and serve.